Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Lemon8 app. So Lemon8 is a new photo and video sharing social media platform catering to users' interest in food, beauty, wellness, and travel. And the app is a mixture of Instagram, Pinterest, and is sprinkled with videos that look like ones posted on TikTok. So this is beginner tutorial for Lemon8. First of all, open this app. If you did not create it, your Lemon8 account yet, I have already created a video on this topic, so I will place a link in description. You can watch that video. When you will open Lemon8 app, this interface will appear where this is a home page. Now in your home page you can see for you post videos and photos, and with that there are different categories like beauty, fashion, food, and travel, and also a pet category is available. So this homepage where you can see for you post and also followings, the people who you are following. Then in explore option where you can see post about different products, you can post your videos by using this plus button, and you can also post photo. Then in notifications you will get notifications of new followers, like and saves and comments. Also you will get notifications of messages from Lemon8. Then in last you can see your profile where you can see how many people are following you and also your followers and your followings, like and saves. You can edit your profile here. Then you will see your photos and video post. If you want to post your video or photo, tap on plus button, select video, like I will select this video, tap on next, and you can edit this video by trimming, and you can add sound. Then tap on next and you can post your video on Lemon8. So this is how you can use Lemon8. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.